How to fix the control key not working on your computer or laptop. So whether you're having an issue with the left control, the right control, or both of these controls are not working altogether, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this issue. Now the very first thing we need to do is open up the start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator. In this top menu, go and right click on the taskbar and click on properties. Now make sure this option enable control key shortcuts is turned on like you see here, and then go and press OK. Now if that's not working, we're going to open up the start menu and click on settings. In the left hand side, click on accessibility and then scroll down and click on keyboard. Make sure the sticky keys are turned off and make sure the filter keys are also turned off, and then you can close out of this window. If it's still not working, then open up the start menu and search for device manager and click on this window. Click on the drop down arrow next to keyboards and you should be able to find your keyboard device. Now go and right click on this and click on update driver and then press search automatically for drivers. Now if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you'll need to come back over to the previous window and click on browse my computer for drivers. Now click on let me pick from a list of available drivers, select this option from the list and click on next. Once you've done this, you'll need to go and restart your computer and you can check to see if the control key is now working. Now if it's still not working, the final solution is to open up the start menu, click on settings, and in the left hand side click on Windows Update. Click on the check for updates button and just ensure you're running the latest version of Windows. If there's any updates available, you'll need to go and install these now. You can also click on advanced options, click on optional updates, click on the drop down next to driver updates, and make sure to go and update any outdated software. You could then press download and install. Once you've done this, your control keys should now be working. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.